Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the video. Today's day 2 of me trying a daily vlog on a mobile phone, editing on a mobile phone, so I can iron it all out and show you guys exactly how to do it with absolutely no extra equipment needed. So to get the day started, we are going to pack our stuff, get some breakfast, and head to the train station because today we're going from Stockholm to Gothenburg. Let's go. So a few thoughts so far about making videos with your phone. Number one is the audio. I feel like I have to get really close for the audio to work out perfectly. And secondly, it's the angle. I think the comfortable way to hold your phone, you'd need to be really close to get that angle.
I wonder if you use that small tripod that we bought.
There's a train going, so the audio problem that I was talking about. But also, what I think would be a solution is if we got that fisheye lens that you can attach to your phone, and we're gonna try that in a second. Made it to Gothenburg. Here we are at the hotel. We got two things to help us with the mobile vlogs. I got this handy selfie stick with a mobile holder, and it opens up as a tripod as well. And it's got this remote that helps me trigger photo and video while I'm holding it. So it'll look something a little like this. There we go. I feel that's a better angle than holding it with my hand. And we also got this guy. This is a attachable fisheye lens clip thing. I'll show you guys what this does. So that should be wide enough to show you everything. Also, I realized holding the phone in your hand kind of muffles the microphone depending on which side you're holding it with. So this whole apparatus should solve that. We are going to go around, try to find some cool restaurants and cool things to consume, eat, because that's a priority. And tomorrow we get to see Metallica live. It's going to be Tada's first time seeing Metallica, and it's going to be Bubba's first time seeing Metallica. What do you think?
Better, yeah. This is better than before.
Much bigger, much better. Out of focus. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.